balance ang care niya para ko nindot good.
I met Rod in 1999, the same person that I knew before. He's a very kind person. He is very patient.
Usahay ako, ando na yung mga lapses, ando na yung mga shortcomings. Siya magpahinungdom na ako na kaning bato ni ngani. There are times nga iyak nga i-motivate. Kani siya. And I really love it.
And he's a very family-oriented na Mary Rod.
It's so nice nga tuig nga naabtan na mo.
Probably if he's not my husband, I don't know if I'm still here.
Let me in as I give you this promise of love. I heard an angel say your name. Now I know my words not the same. A little heaven is what you are, as we dream 1,000 dreams not so far. And may the blessings of our Lord above, His light will guide us with the love for you and me forevermore, as I give you this promise of love. Now that I have you for my all, as God is our witness, never let me go. Feel the love grow as we become one hand, one heart. We are one soul. This promise of love.
Hello everyone! So gusto ko munang batiin ng happy 23rd wedding anniversary Lady So Rode M Vlog, and happy 4 years anniversary in YouTube channel. So sana ay marami pang mga anniversaries ang darating sa inyo. So good health at sana ay tuloy-tuloy lang ang buhay. So ayan, maraming salamat. So God bless.
Hello Ate and Kuya. I would like to say I would like to greet rather sa inyong dalawa na happy 23rd wedding anniversary. 23rd, so meaning 23 years. Aba, hindi biro ang hindi ng dalawang relationship. And maraming salamat kasi pinakita nyo naman kung paano pangalagaan, especially nowadays na parang it's so hard to maintain na yung ganong klaseng kahabang relationship, diba, sa dinami-dami na naghiwalay. So, you two are really strong enough para sabihin at ipakita sa lahat na merong forever sa mundong ito. And kayo yung exact picture na yun. And happy wedding anniversary.
Happy wedding anniversary po sa ating Ate Sue and Kuya Rudy. Ayan, congratulations po sa inyong dalawa. At ito, wish ko po sa inyo naway lalo pang tumitibay ang inyong samahan at inyong relasyon po inyong dalawa. Lagi lang po natin isipin na sa ating relasyon ay wala akong perfect. Diba? Handyan yung masaya, handyan yung away, at handyan yung ang masasabi ko lang po, lagi mo natin nasa gitna ang ating Panginoon sa ating relasyon para lalo kong tumitibay ang ating pagsasama. Parang ano po yan, parang isang bulaklak. Diba? Isang bulaklak na minamahal, inalagaan, at binibiligan. Ate Sue and Kuya Rudy, naway marami pang taon ang inyong pagsasama. And God bless you po. And naway lagi po kayong helping dalawa ninyo, Ate and Sue and Kuya Rudy. Yan po, habang tumatagal, naway lalong tumitibay ang inyong relasyon. God bless po sa inyong dalawa. And again, happy anniversary. Love you too.
Hello, salamat sa ating mag-anak sa toong buhay at kapatid ko sa White World na si Ate Sue and Kuya Rudy. Happy 23 na years na sa iyong wedding anniversary ko. Congratulations! Itong buko na to, maraming anak sa White. Sobrang generous ang buko na to. Kaya, congratulations and happy 23th anniversary talaga. And, hindi ba yan? Happy 4 years na po kayo sa Whitey World! Yay! Happy 4th year sa anniversary po ng Whitey World po, Ate Sue and Rudy, Kuya Rudy. Good luck and fight lang tayo and dapan lang tayo and I wish na talaga, Lord, bigyan mo sila ng good health always kasi mga tao to ay sobrang generous, mabait, lahat na, talent, lahat talaga. Kaya, saludo ako sa inyo dalawa. Happy wedding anniversary and happy Whitey anniversary!
This is Kenneth Lansangan from Hamburg, Germany. And gusto ko lang batiin ang ating Mommy Lady Sue and ating Daddy Rudy ng happy 23rd wedding anniversary. And stay in love and keep the love burning. And good health and God bless. And gusto ko rin kayong batiin ng happy 4th year Whitey anniversary. And sana marami pa kayong matulungan at ma-inspire at mapasayang tao. Ayan, we love you and wish you.
Hello, Mommy Lady Sue and Daddy Rudy. Happy wedding anniversary. May you to get many more years to celebrate this day together. And happy 4 years in YouTube world. God bless you and I love you both.
Hello, me, Andy. Happy 23rd wedding anniversary po sa inyong dalawa. And many more anniversaries to celebrate and looking forward sa inyong golden anniversary. And yun, sana andun pa rin kami sa mahalagang okasyon na yun because last time andun po kami sa vow nyo, wedding vow. So salamat po, naging part ako doon and yun. Basta andito lang ako para sa inyo and yun. Wish you all the best and stay strong, stay healthy and happy anniversary once again. I love you. Bye-bye.
Everyone, this is Judel Torres. Ayan. Happy wedding anniversary sa inyo, Mom and Dad. Ayan, kay Daddy Rudy and Mami Sue. Happy wedding anniversary. And of course, sana more anniversary to come. And of course, Mom and Dad, thank you so much sa inyo talaga. Sa mga advice nyo sa akin, of course. Mom, you always remind me na always pray to God. Ayan. And of course, I know that you are so more happy because nandyan na si Kuya. And of course, ayan, sana magkita na tayo. And of course, sana bigyan na ni God yung wish ko. And of course, yan, me and Dee, ayan, maraming salamat talaga sa inyo. I'm always thankful for everything that you have done to me. Especially Mom, thank you so much. Kaya happy wedding anniversary. And of course, happy anniversary sa inyong YT channel. Of course, ingat kayo palagi. Love you.
Hello, me. Hello, Dee. Happy 23rd wedding anniversary po.
And happy 4th year YT anniversary. Wag mo naman.
Grabe. Enjoy your celebration po. And stay happy, stay healthy, stay in love. Yan po. God bless you more at mas marami pa kayong ma-inspire sa ating YT world at sa outside the YT world. And see you again soon. Soon ba? Bye po. Enjoy.
Enjoy po.
Sa aming Kuya Rudy at Ate Sue, kami ay bumabati ng
Happy 23rd wedding anniversary!
and happy 4th year anniversary sa YT.
Yahoo!
Yahoo! Ayan!
2 years na lang, silver wedding anniversary na.
Kaya nga, ayan. Ang message namin, deserve ninyong dalawa na in love forever, syempre. And more blessings and celebrations to come sa inyong dalawa.
Ayan, naging saksi kami guys sa how sweet silang couple, silang mag-asawa. Kahit sa sandaling panahon namin silang nakasama dito sa Japan, ay kitang-kita mo sa kanila ang pagmamahalan nila sa isa't isa. Mai-inspired ka talaga, kung paano nila i-express ang love. Ganyan sila Ate Sue. Talagang very caring sila sa isa't isa.
Ayan, napaka-cute nilang dalawa.
Ano pa nga guys, tinan mo, meron pa silang binubuhat-buhat pa ni Kuya
Sila ang
Rudy.
nagpauso ng tawag doon. Idon suweta mo ako.
Yeah, basta continue lang to inspire us. Kasi talagang iniidolo namin kayo.
Tama yan.
Kayo ang isa sa mga magpapatuloy. There is a forever. Kasi sabi nga nila, wala na daw forever.
Kaya tayo. Hindi naman sa gumagay, pero talaga naman may forever. Siyempre, umabot na rin kayo sa 4 na taon dito sa YT. Siyempre, congratulations. Ayan.
Diba? Na-maintain ang 4 years dito sa YT na continue. Kasi diba, maraming nag-YT during pandemic. Pero despite of busy schedule, ay kahit papano ay naiaano pa rin ng YT.
Yung dalawa rin kami na bigyan din kami ng pagkakataon na kumanta parehas. Totoo, sino ba? Ikaw ba? Ako? Pero ako may lakas ang loob ko kumanta, pero si Jen talaga natuto na yung kumanta.
Na-inspired ako kay Ate Sue at kay Kuya Rudy. Again, alam mo yung Ate and Kuya, we love you so much.
We love you.
And thank you. And always keep the love
burning.
Also, continue to be there para sa isa't isa.
And salamat din palagi na nakasuporta rin sa aming channel. Kayong dalawa po.
We love you.
We love you.
Happy anniversary to Roddy M and Lady Sue.
We would like to thank kay kanang very generous kay ni sila nga couple sa mga for how many years na rin nagsita silang balahan. Always welcome, always adapt. So na ipakita ilang lovely plant din.
Yes, I would like to thank you from the bottom of our heart. Kuya Roddy and Sue for being so kind and generous,
Welcoming.
accommodating to us to the same place. Adapt for years now.
And they're very sincere couple and very true gid sila mga friend.
Real mga people. God-fearing people did kayo.
And among wish nga hinaot they will still continue to do the things that they love, to travel and to help people in the service of the Lord and to sing in the service of the Lord.
Yes.
So
More years, more anniversary to come.
Yes.
And more blessings,
More blessings
to
too. And good health.
your lovely family. Rod, Sue, and VMC.
Yes.
God bless.
God bless. Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy anniversary, Auntie Susie and Uncle Rod. We love you always.
Best. Happy anniversary to you and Rod. And we're always happy for you and we're always proud of you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for sharing your blessings to everyone that you love. And God bless you always. And we love you.
Love you.
Auntie Susie and Uncle Rod.
Hi! Happy anniversary to you, Rod and Susie. May God bless you with many more years. Wonderful years together, as in together. Have fun!
Hey guys! VMC here. Yeah, eto na naman tayo at babatiin na naman natin ng happy 23rd anniversary sina Mami Sue at Daddy Rudy M. 23 years. It's been long journey, especially sa Kaufpol na talaga namang 23 years is not a joke. 2 years na lang silver anniversary and still you always showing us on how to be inspired by your story, your love story. And nawi-witness namin, especially ako, na kasama niyo dito. Nawi-witness ko on how you were grateful for each other. So, nakikita ko rin na how you love each other, how you show affection to each other. So, yun lang, wish ko lang sa inyong dalawa is piliin mo pa rin isa't isa. Piliin mo pa rin gumising para sa isa't isa. Piliin mo pa rin papasayahin mo ng isa't isa. Piliin mo pa rin pagsisimula ng isa't isa. Piliin mo pa rin laging andyan para sa isa't isa. Piliin mo pa rin supportahan ng isa't isa. At piliin mo pa rin yung isa't isa hanggang sa huli. Yung sa kanta yung isa. Sa huli, ang lagi, piliin kong minsan. Hanggang sa huli, ang lagi, piliin ko minsan. I am so grateful and blessed to witness the love story ninyo na until now it's been 23 years. 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 23 para pa rin kayong nasa ano pa lang, first stage pa lang ng relationship sa couple. So, isang malaking malaking bagay, especially sa mga aspirant na gusto ring maging ganyang katagal yung mga relationship nila. And wish ko man na magkaroon din ng partner to share my love also, but sadly the happy ending is not for me. So okay na ako dun sa nakikita ko kayo. Yun lang, and I love you guys. You know how much I love you. And thank you for everything. Always. Happy 23rd anniversary, Mami Sue, and love you.